Welcome to the Hydria Troubleshooting Guide. In this video, we'll help you identify and resolve common issues with your Hydria water feature. Please note that your Hydria has a modular design. If there's a fault, it can usually be resolved by replacing a specific component. Potential problem areas include the charger, the remote, the battery, the top cover, or the pump. Before testing individual parts, we will perform 3 preliminary checks. First, ensure all charging points are clean. Check the contact points on the charger and top cover for any dirt, residue, or corrosion. Clean with a damp cloth if needed, then allow to dry before charging. Check all the connectors for signs of corrosion. If you notice any buildup, clean them by plugging and unplugging the connectors with a twisting motion a few times. Second, confirm all components are connected properly. Open the pump unit by pressing the 3 tabs on the sides, then lift off the top cover. Inside, you'll see a properly assembled pump unit, which includes the battery, the pump, a pair of black connector cables, a pair of green connector cables, and the resin-potted PC board. Before proceeding, ensure all connections are secure. Now I'll walk you through each connection step by step. Make sure the pump is securely attached to the tube protruding from the PC board. Next, connect the pump to the PC board by screwing the 2 black connectors together. Then, connect the battery to the PC board by screwing the 2 green connectors together. Ensure the screw-on sleeve is finger-tightened securely. Once properly connected, it should be difficult to unscrew. Your Hydria is now properly connected. Let's close it all up. Third, make sure the battery is fully charged. To charge your Hydria, connect the charger to the 2 contact points on the Hydria pump. Flashing red lights indicate charging is in progress. When charging is complete, the lights will turn green. With these preliminary checks completed, we can proceed with testing the individual components. We will start with the remote control. When pressing any of the buttons, you should see a solid red light at the front of the remote. If there is no light or only a faint flickering red light, please check the battery. Locate the battery tray, shift the tab inwards and slide the tray out. There may be a small screw to unscrew first. Inspect the battery for any dirt or corrosion. Clean the battery if necessary. Return the battery and tray. If there is still no light, or if the light remains faint and flickering, replace the battery. If a new battery doesn't fix the issue, you have a faulty remote. If your remote is functioning properly, we can move on to checking the top cover and charger. First, let's see if your remote is paired to your pump. To pair your remote with the pump, press one of the LED buttons and immediately connect the charger to the pump. You should see green lights followed by red. If this did not work, we need to do some further troubleshooting. Open the Hydria by pressing the 3 tabs on the sides and lifting off the top cover. Disconnect the pump by unscrewing the black connectors counterclockwise. Then, detach the pump by gently twisting while pulling away. Disconnect the battery by unscrewing the green connectors counterclockwise. Connect the charging cable to the top cover. Red flashing lights indicate the top cover is functioning properly. If your Hydria is not displaying any lights, or if you see faint white or purple lights, you have a faulty top cover. Now, let's test the battery and pump. For this final test, we need to connect the pump directly to the battery, bypassing the top cover completely. Connect the pump directly to the battery. If the pump vibrates or makes a sound, both the pump and battery are working fine, and we have completed our troubleshooting. If no sound or vibration is observed, the fault lies with either the pump or the battery. For the final check, let's connect the battery to the top cover. Press and hold the red start button for 4 seconds. Then press and hold one of the LED buttons for 4 seconds. Repeat this process a few times. If you see any light during this process, the battery is functioning correctly, and the issue lies with the pump. In this case, please replace the pump. Now that we have identified the faulty component, the correct part can be ordered and replaced. If your Hydria is still under warranty, please contact customer service to arrange for a replacement part. If your Hydria is out of warranty, you can purchase the part directly from our online store. Thank you for watching. For any questions or assistance, contact our customer service team.